Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to create an online course using ChatGPT. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now in today's video, we will be demonstrating on how you could utilize ChatGPT to build your very own online course that you could sell online. We will be using Udemy course over here as a basis of what information we should use to be able to build our course. We will be utilizing the feature where we can create a course in Udemy, and then whatever question or whatever information it is asking us to create, we will put it in ChatGPT and ChatGPT will create it for us. Now the first step is to think about what type of course or what is the topic of the course that we would like to create our online course about. There's a lot of courses out there such as Java or like coding and many other information out there. We could check out the different courses in Udemy and use that as a reference or a basis on what we should do. So let's check out our courses over here. As you can see here, there's a lot of different courses that we could create our online course on. For example, we have the development over here, such as web development, mobile development, programming, game development, and all of those stuff. We also have business, finance, accounting, IT software, office productivity, and many more. And there's no limit to what type of category or what type of online course that you could create on. But I suggest if you do plan to create an online course, create an online course that is particularly trending right now. Something related to modern technology or anything new in the internet, because a lot of people are going to be searching for courses that will help them utilize and use those different applications. So we could also ask ChatGPT if you don't have any idea on what you should create your online course about. We could ask ChatGPT to give me good ideas of topic that I can use to create an online course about. There we go. Then we can simply ask it to generate our prompt over here, and there we go. ChatGPT will provide us with ideas or concepts that we could create our online course about. And as you can see, it's giving us at least 20. There we go. And the different options that ChatGPT has given us are digital marketing, personal finance and budgeting, introduction to coding, photography basics, health, cooking and meal plan, mindfulness and stress management, creative writing workshop, and many more. We could choose from the options that ChatGPT have provided over here, or we could ask, provide a more uncommon but successful online course. And you can simply ask it to generate us this information again, and it will provide us with an uncommon online course. And as you can see, an uncommon online course right now but has the potential to be successful is called Urban Foraging and Wild Edible Organization or Identification. There we go. And as you can see, it will also provide you with a list of course module right away. And basically, it already gave us a structure or a blueprint of what the course would be. So let's say we will go with this course that ChatGPT has provided us. Urban Foraging and Wild Edible Identification. So let's go to Udemy over here and let's create a course. You will be able to create a course by, of course, logging into Udemy and clicking on instructor over here, and you will be able to see this section that I am seeing right now. And scrolling down, I will be able to create a new course over here on the right side, as you can see here. So simply select this and we will be redirected. Now it will ask us what type of online course are we making. So of course, we're going to choose this course over here. And let's proceed with the next step. And as you can see, we have a title. Let's simply copy the title that ChatGPT has provided us over here, or create a better title for your online course if you don't like the title, or you do it yourself. I think you will be able to do a title by yourself. So anyway, let's continue with this one, Urban Foraging and Wild Edible Identification. Click on continue. Now we have to choose what category this is. Now for the category, this is more on lifestyle, most likely, or health and fitness, because Urban Foraging and Wild Edible is related to lifestyle and even health and fitness over here, because it is about food. So let's go and click on health and fitness, click on continue, and over here, how much time can you spend creating your course per week? You could choose any of this option depending on your availability. For me, I'll go with I haven't decided yet, and let's go create our course. Now over here, as you can see, let's wait for it to open. Now, as you can see, it will ask us what will students learn in our course. You must provide 4 learning objectives or outcome that learners can expect to achieve after completing your course. So we can simply copy this and ask ChatGPT to provide the specific information. So provide this with the topic you have just given me. And click on enter over here. And as you can see, it will provide you with the list of objectives that your student or the person who will enroll on your course will be able to learn. So do the same thing. You're simply going to copy accurate identification of urban edibles. Paste it over here. Do the same thing. Application of ethical foraging practices. Paste it over here. Do it for the 4 of it. Culinary creative with wild ingredients. Paste it again. Safety awareness and risk management. There we go. And you could add more if you want. You could add more learning objectives to this by simply clicking on add more to your response over here. And over here, what are the requirements or prerequisites for taking your course? You can simply copy this once again and do the same thing for the specific. And there we go. I think it made a mistake, so let's do it again. Do the same thing for, there you go, there, click on enter, and basic requirements, there we go. We have this information over here that you could add. You could choose which one you want like to add. For example, let's say desire to follow ethical practices. There you go, add more to your response. Let's add at least 3. Interest in culinary exploration. Put it over here. Fix this one. And let's add one more. And let's look for a one that is good. Curiosity and enthusiasm for nature. Simply copy that and put it over here. Then who is this course for? You could copy this again if you're not really aware or you don't really have an idea on who you would like your target audience to be. And as you can see here, you have these options over here. So you can simply choose all of this or pick a few of this option. So let's pick 4 or 2 at least. So let's go and copy home gardeners. Copy this, paste it over here. Let's add one more. And let's go with urban dwellers, elevated outdoor space, or rather aspiring foragers. Copy that, paste it over here. And after that, we could now go with the course structure over here on the left side. You can simply select this. And we haven't saved our changes. Let's click on save over here on the top right. And there we go. We were able to save it. Now we have the course structure. You can now put in the different information over here. You can check out the required information. You start with your goals, create an outline, introduce yourself. And this is more on a video, so this is for you. You could ask ChatGPT to produce you that as well. Create a short script that introduces, or rather not short script, create a script that introduces this course to Udemy students. Then simply ask it to generate, and then of course ChatGPT will provide you with the script over here, and you can simply record this video. And after recording this, you can now upload it into this area over here where it's asking you to create your video over here, like the introduction. And let's go and check this out. This is where you will be able to create your test video and upload it over here. And after that, there's your film and editing over here, this section. Then your curriculum, you can now build your curriculum in this section. So let's ask ChatGPT to build me 3, how many section curriculum for this course, and ask it to generate that. We will be able to fill this out as well. So this one is the lecture one. Let's go and change this. Now we have the modules over here. You have your introduction to foraging. You can simply copy all of this, and you get the idea that I'm trying to do. You can simply progress with this creation over here. Then you can simply one by one search the information or search the required information in ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will produce you the information just like what we are doing right now. And you can even ask ChatGPT, give me some tips on how I could build this course better. And click on enter, and then ChatGPT will provide you some tips, of course, and help you create your amazing course that you can start selling online. And that's basically it. That's the idea of how you will be able to use ChatGPT to build your course by simply utilizing Udemy together with ChatGPT. And so that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.